I'm inside Tucker's Knob, compartment 17, inside the so-called plantation. This whole area is rainforest and should be zoned rainforest. It's really lovely gallery rainforest along the upper banks of the creek. And here I am inside that compartment, and here are all the rainforest trees that I have mapped in here so far. This is not protected. This is not within the so-called Great Koala National Park, which is why we need a greater koala park to protect not just our koalas, but our rainforest as well.